Hello everyone! Welcome to our podcast, How Bisaya Say It versus Americans Say It. I'm Josephine, your teacher for today.
And I'm Renald, your student, ready to learn some Bisaya.
Nice! That's the spirit. For everyone listening, this podcast is for beginners who want to learn Bisaya or Cebuano in a simple and clear way. We'll talk slowly and we'll repeat words often so you can practice along with us.
So, even if you're totally new, no worries. You'll learn fast if you just listen carefully.
Exactly. Today's topic is greetings and introductions. We'll learn how Bisaya people say hello, how they ask, "How are you?" and a few polite phrases that sound very different from how Americans say it. Part 1. Saying hello. Okay, let's start with the most basic one. Hello. In English, we say hello. In Bisaya, we say kumusta.
Kumusta?
Very good. Now, let's practice together. Say it slowly. Kumusta.
Kumusta?
Again, kumusta.
Kumusta?
Very good. Now, try saying it with a smile. In Bisaya, tone matters. When we say kumusta with a happy voice, it sounds friendly and warm.
So, kumusta means hello.
Almost. It literally means, how are you? But in Bisaya, we often use it just to greet someone, like, hey, hi. So, when a Bisaya friend sees you, they might say, kumusta ka? That means, how are you?
Ah, kumusta ka?
Right. Say it again. Kumusta ka?
Kumusta ka?
Now, notice how in American English, people often say, "Hi, how are you?" even if they don't expect a long answer. In Bisaya, it's the same. You can answer quickly with, maayo ra ko. That means, I'm fine.
Maayo ra ko.
Perfect. Let's break that down. Maayo means good or fine. Ra means just or only. Ko means me or I. So literally, maayo ra ko means I'm just fine. Let's all say it again slowly. Ma-a-yo ra ko.
Ma-ay-yo ra ko.
One more time. Ma-ayo ra ko.
Ma-ayo ra ko.
Part 2. Introducing yourself. Now, let's move to introducing yourself. In English, we say, my name is Renald. In Bisaya, we say, ako si Renald.
Ako si Renald.
Excellent pronunciation. Let's break it down. Ako means I or me. Si is a word we use before a person's name. So, ako si Renald literally means I am Renald.
Ako si Renald.
Let's practice that again for everyone listening. Say, ako si, and then your name, Renald.
Ako si Renald.
Good job. Now, if you want to ask someone's name, you can say, unsa imong ngalan. That means, what's your name?
Unsa imong ngalan.
Great. Let's break it down. Unsa means what. Imong means your. Ngalan means name. So, what's your name equals unsa imong ngalan. Say it slowly again. Unsa imong ngalan.
unsa, imong, ngalan.
Perfect. Now, here's a fun note. Americans often say this in a polite, soft tone. Hi, what's your name? But Bisayans usually sound more direct. They say it friendly but short. Unsa imong ngalan? It's not rude, it's just how the language sounds. Part 3. Nice to meet you. Now, after you ask someone's name, you can say, maayong pagkakita nimo. That means, nice to meet you.
Maayong pagkakita nimo.
Excellent. Let's break it down. Maayong means good or nice. Pagkakita means the act of seeing. Nimo means you. So together, good seeing you.
Okay.
But honestly, that's kind of long. Most Bisayans just smile and say, maayo nga magkita ta, which means, it's nice that we met. Say it with me. Maayo nga magkita ta.
Maayo nga magkita ta.
Nice! In real life though, you'll often just hear, hello, kumusta ka? And then a big smile. That's already enough to sound friendly in Bisaya culture. Part 4. Saying goodbye. Now, let's talk about saying goodbye. In English, we have lots of ways. Goodbye, see you later, take care. In Bisaya, the simplest way is bye-bye. That means bye.
Babaye.
Careful there.
Babaye.
Actually, babaye means woman.
Oh. Oops.
It's a funny mistake many learners make. The word for bye is babay. Be careful not to pronounce it as babaye because it refers to a woman, so don't use that. Instead, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes, that's it. Say it again. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Perfect. Now, if you want to say see you later, say magkita ta puhon.
Magkita ta puhon.
Let's break that down. Magkita means we'll see each other. Ta means we. Puhon means someday or in the future, like hopefully soon. So literally, we will see each other someday. It's a warm and hopeful way to say goodbye. Very Bisaya.
Magkita ta puhon.
Let's say it again for practice. Magkita ta puhon.
Magkita ta puhon.
Very good. Part 5. Practice time. Okay, Renald, let's do a short role play. You're the learner. I'm your Bisaya friend. We'll greet each other like we just met.
All right.
Hi, kumusta ka?
Maayo ra ko, ako si Renald. Unsa imong ngalan?
Maayo ra kusab. Ako si Josephine. Maayo nga magkita ta.
Magkita ta puhon.
Perfect. Now one more time. Let's repeat that slowly together. Hi, kumusta ka?
Maayo ra ko, ako si Renald. Unsa imong ngalan?
Ako si Josephine. Maayo nga magkita ta.
Magkita ta puhon.
Part 6. Quick review. Okay, let's review what we learned today.
We learned how to say hello, kumusta? How are you? Kumusta ka? I'm fine. Maayo ra ko. My name is Renald. Ako si Renald. What's your name? Unsa imong ngalan? Nice to meet you. Maayong pagkakita nimo. Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you later. Magkita ta puhun.
Great job! Now, remember, Bisaya is spoken with a warm tone and a natural rhythm. Don't stress too much on perfect pronunciation. Just speak slowly and smile when you say it.
Yeah, because smiling in Bisaya is like part of the language.
Exactly. That's it for today's episode. Greetings and introductions. Next time, we'll talk about how Bisayans ask questions differently from Americans. It's funny and really interesting.
See you next time. Or should I say, magkita ta puhun.
Very good. Bye-bye, everyone.